Hey, I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. We're looking really good as far as the weather pattern here for the next few days. It is very cold this morning. Actually, most locations have dipped into the low and mid 40s, and south breeze returning today, so we are going to see a bit of a warm-up, which will push temperatures into the mid 70s, but still feeling pretty nice through the middle of the day. Temperatures right now are at low 40s north of I-30, where we may dip into the 30s here briefly before we get going to sunrise, and pinpoint Doppler showing the quiet conditions. That's expected to hold for much of the day. One of the changes that we're seeing, again, high pressure, which has been situated to our west, is now moving to the east of the Arklatex, so just the flow around that high is going to allow that southeast breeze to return today. That's the reason it will be a little bit warmer. Actually may see winds in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range a little bit later this afternoon, and there is now a cold front sliding south across the plains, which will eventually bring us our chance for rain on Friday. See the temperatures forecast for today, about 75 in Texarkana, 76 in Shreveport. That's exactly where we should be for mid to late October, so near normal highs for us. Futurecast, obviously not much to see here again today, as we're expecting pretty much all day sunshine will hold through. Could have a few upper level clouds drift through late, but no rainfall for your Wednesday. Begin to see a little bit of a change to the weather pattern tonight. Most of us will be back into the 50s overnight, as we do have that warmer south wind returning to the region. That will continue Thursday, and that frontal boundary will just kind of get rung up to the northwest of us, so we may have a few showers northeast Texas, maybe McCurtain County and Arkansas tomorrow, but I think most of us will stay dry through the daylight hours on Thursday. And here comes the rain on Friday, and it looks like it could be kind of a rainy day for us. A few thunderstorms in there as well. As of now, we are not in any kind of severe weather outlook, so that's the good news for us, but it will be a cold rain with temperatures Friday in the 50s for much of the day. May actually make it into the low 60s in some areas, and you see the rain continuing for us Saturday morning. That should be the last push of rainfall fairly early Saturday. I think we'll begin to see things dry out as we move through the day, and should be able to salvage, I think, many of us the back half of the day Saturday, and Sunday's looking great. As far as the rainfall, the GFS, or the American model, has less than a quarter inch of rain on us. This is our in-house, our Barron model, that is showing some 1 to 2 inch accumulations. So there definitely could be some heavier rainfall in here, and again, the time frame for that would be Friday morning through Saturday morning. And there's a 7-day forecast. Nice day again tomorrow, and a big temperature drop. I think a lot of locations will have highs in the 50s on Friday, mid 60s on Saturday. Should get the sunshine back late in the weekend, so if you're planning some outdoor activities this weekend, definitely looks like Sunday the safer of the 2 days for that as of right now, and continue to run in the 70s early next week. Looks like we may have another front on the way sometime towards the early portions of next week.